All right, so here's this really good question that has a few things in here. Find the slope of the normal. So we have to remember that normal has a perpendicular slope to the tangent line at the given point. I got a great equation that I need to find the derivative of using a few different laws. And then I have 2 points, and it says if possible. So probably one of those points will be possible. So I got to do a couple of things. It's calculus class. I got to definitely take a derivative. So when in doubt on most questions, if you take the derivative, that's great. Just be careful if it's talking about like velocity, acceleration, and position or displacement, because then if you just want a displacement or position, you're not taking a derivative. But most times we're going to be taking derivatives. So what I would do first maybe is just take the derivative of this equation. Then we can worry about, when it's possible to take the derivative. Or we could do that first and then take the derivative, but it's not changing anything. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of concentrate on the derivative part first. Now I can see looking at that equation, I don't want to try to take the derivative of that just using the logarithm rules. I mean, it will work, but let's just simplify that down first. So let's just look at that y. Let's use some of our log rules. We can split this apart. Okay, so we can split that apart. And we can continue doing this, but if you're paying attention, doesn't that equation look similar? Don't we have that right up here? Now, I didn't like how I actually went ahead and simplified this, so I'm going to look at kind of just the second step of the derivative there, where I just have two nice fractions. That's a little bit easier for me to work with. This could be, I don't know, I think quicker for me to work with. So I'm going to leave it as the 15x squared over 3x5 minus 2 plus a 3 over x minus 7. So I'm going to have to flip back and forth through the screen because I don't have that memorized. So I'm just going to pause that and write that down.